Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today we're going to do something fun. So if you want to get into hydroponics, but you don't have any of the specific equipment, and by that I mean these little net cups here, you know, which you can get on Amazon. If you don't have something like this, then how can you get into hydroponics and do a little bit of growing without, you know, buying all of this stuff? Well, I got this and this out of the recycle bin, and let's try to use these in a little test or a little experiment. So I have a hole saw here, and I'm just going to get that onto my drill. And let's just drill into this. So I make sure I'm in the middle. I'm going to do all of this live. There we go. And then we've got our free little yogurt, little container here. And look at this, it's a perfect fit. Is that awesome or what? And now all we need to do is get some holes into this. So I've loaded up a little drill bit, and now I'm just going to start making some holes. And then some on the side, because we know that the roots like to come through the sides as well. I think that's good enough. So there's some good drainage in there. And let's check that out again. Yeah, so I used a hole saw, but if you don't have the hole saw, you can just take a little X-Acto knife and just cut that out, or use a pair of scissors. But there we go. So that there is ready to go. So let's lift this out. You can see it fits nicely in there, and that is just perfect. And what's great about it is that the sun is not going to get through there for the most part. So that's actually pretty cool. And all for free. Okay, so I didn't even think about this ahead of time, but I have a lot of little plants going, and I started these. These are little marigolds, and I thought maybe we should try one of these. So yeah, I guess I'll go with the tallest one. We'll just scoop that out. And I'll get that in there. And then I've got my little clay pellets. I'll just get some of these in there. Make sure I am on camera here. We'll get those in there. Get them around the sides. Yeah, so this will be kind of fun. And then once the weather starts to change, I can get this out just on its own. I think that's pretty good. A few in the top. Look at that. We are ready to go. Okay, and then I've got my nutrient with my water. I'll just bring it in here again. Arrow Garden, I got this on Amazon. Okay, so this is made by Miracle Grow, and for 1 US gallon, you're talking, where do they say here, for house plants or outdoor gardens? Well, let's go with the indoor plants. We are 2 ml per gallon. So you're talking, you know, about half a teaspoon for about 4 liters of water. 1 US gallon is exactly, what is it, 3.78 liters. So it's pretty cheap, you know, to run on a bunch of different little experimental plants. That little bottle's going to last me a long time. So I need to go up. I don't want to go up too high. So let's just build this up. See, I'm just going to place it here to see. I'll put it in and see how much it's touching here. Yeah, I'm going to go a little bit more. And then we'll get that in there. Yeah, I think it's touching now. We'll see. Yeah, that's not bad. So I'm going to leave it like that. So there we go. So I'll keep you updated on this one. So there's our little do-it-yourself hydroponics thing out of nothing, out of recycling products. So look at that. I mean, that is perfect. What's great about these ones is that you got the little lip on here, so it's like a little handle, so you can lift it out and check on your solution and see how, you know, how high your water and nutrient is. So there we go. So I'm going to get that back underneath my grow lights, and that's it for this really fast video. So if you want to get into hydroponics and you don't have those little net cups right here, then you can just do something just like this. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.